Amini House, also known as Aminiha Hosseiniyeh, is a historic mansion located in Qazvin. It is considered one of the most beautiful and well-preserved traditional houses in the city. The mansion was built during the Qajar era in 19th century. Amini House reflects the architectural style of the Qajar period, characterized by exquisite craftsmanship, intricate design, and lavish decorations. The mansion consists of several interconnected sections, including living quarters, reception halls, courtyards, and gardens. One of the notable features of Amini House is its stunning interior design. The walls are adorned with intricate stucco mirrorwork, showcasing the artistic skills of the craftsmen of that time. The ceilings are beautifully painted with colorful motifs and patterns, adding to the grandeur of the house. The mansion also contains numerous stained glass windows that allow soft, colorful light to filter into the rooms. Today, Amini House serves as a cultural center and museum, showcasing the traditional lifestyle and architecture of the Qajar era. It offers a glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle of the affluent families of that time. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Fatemeh, English and French tour leader in Iran. Please subscribe on my channel and share it with your friends. Every single Friday and Tuesday we have a new tourist attraction to talk about it.